Today we're taking a deeper look at the Huawei Nova 13. Recently launched in South Africa, the Nova 13 is getting a lot of attention because of its premium features and price. But does it live up? Let's break it down. Design and build. If we're talking looks alone, it's fair to say the Huawei Nova 13 is a head-turner. While it's available in standard black, it's the load-in green option that really stands out. Huawei's taken different shades of green and turned them into a plaid kaleidoscope. The device's texture definitely adds to its premium feel. If you rock up to the office or the braai with this in hand, everyone's going to be talking. Camera. And if its looks alone weren't enough to get the chatter going, the new AI Best Expression feature on the Huawei Nova 13's camera will have you striking up convos with everyone who sees what it can do. AI Best Expression picks your best angle for group shots, a handy feature for those especially wild nights out. The impressive tech is backed up by a 60-megapixel selfie camera, a 50-megapixel ultra-vision camera, and an 8-megapixel ultra-wide macro camera. Performance. The 5000 mAh battery and 100-watt fast charging mean you won't be caught off guard during power cuts. In just 10 minutes, you get a 50% charge, perfect for surviving Stage 6 outages. With a MediaTek Dimensity 8020 chip and 12 gigs of RAM, the Nova 13 handles gaming, streaming, and work with ease. For the price, is this device really worth an upgrade from the 12? Yes, there are a lot of similarities between the two models, but the Huawei Nova 13 offers enhancements such as a larger battery, more RAM options, and laser AF for improved camera performance, making it the winner in this battle. Conclusion. The Huawei Nova 13 brings style, power, and value perfect for South Africans looking for a solid mid-range phone. But is it the best? Let us know your thoughts in the comments.